अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम।
I have the honor to present to you the candidates who have satisfactorily fulfilled the graduation requirements for the academic year 2023-2024 as prescribed by the Gulyas College of Medicine Incorporated and the Commission on Higher Education, the degree of Doctor of Medicine.
It is my honor and pleasure to confer upon you, candidates, the degree of Doctor of Medicine with all the rights, powers, and duties appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो। सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो।
My name is Yadav Riya and I'm from Mumbai, India. So I actually came in Gulyas College of Medicine in 2018, and ever since that I really started a different journey which I never really expected I would. Atmiya has always been a support system financially, be it financially or be it in guidance. So I'm really grateful for that. And I really hope that anybody chooses Atmiya also feels the same way as I did.
गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा।
We have come a long way. I would like to express my gratitude to the college and each and every one responsible for providing me the opportunity to rotate in a wondrous place like Bohol. To all my pre-med professors, I hope you all are proud. Dr. Chirag for stepping up in times of dire need, and to my amazing mother and sister who are always there cheering me up. They cannot be here today, but I hope, Mom, if you're listening to this, you're super proud of me.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anuj Mishra, graduate of 2024 Batch Chiron from Gulyas College of Medicine. I'm a student of Atmiya Education, and I'm so happy to be a doctor today that I was dreaming, I think, maybe from childhood. And I am thankful for Atmiya for supporting in this journey. The Atmiya Education was so helpful in each and every platform, in academics, in administration. So I'm so thankful for them. Thank you, Atmiya Education.